received a topic that I need to go to random people and ask you questions to them. So let's just start. Hi, excuse me. May I know your name? I'm Neha. I'm Nidhi. And today I received a topic from a teacher that I need to go to random people and ask you questions to them. So if you're free, may I have a few minutes?
Yes, absolutely.
Day by day, there are a lot of things that get increased in India. And if I be more particular, is live-in relationships. So when I say live-in relationships, what's the first thought that comes to your mind?
By living in a relationship, I think it's getting to know the person. You want to spend the relationship with us.
Are you living?
Yes, I am.
But don't you think living relationships are just promoting casual relationships? It's just a way to avoid responsibility, like big things like marriage?
Actually, it depends on which person you are asking with. There are absolutely people who think of it as a casual relationship. But there are also people who think of it as getting to know the person they really want to spend their life. That's it.
And is it like that society sees it differently when it comes to men or women? If it's a man, he's young, he's getting to know what you think. But if it's a woman, she's like, she's shameless, she has no manners. What do you think about it?
Actually, society can think whatever they want. Even if you are right, even if you are wrong. If they want to think that you are wrong, they will think that way. And you can change it. You just need to know that if you are right, you don't have to think about anyone else. Because at the last thing is your life, which you have to live. It's not them. What will they do that after marriage you get divorced? They will just say, they would have been, they would be problem with you personally. They won't come to you if you are getting divorced. They will create problems in any way.
But in all these things are also happening in arranged marriages.
Even in arranged marriage, people just say that they'll get married and they just arrange a marriage for people. And then stuff happens. They say, now you are married, so just take care of your own things.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you for having me.
Hi, I'm Lily. May I know your name?
Rakesh.
Today I have received a topic from a teacher on which I need to go to random people and ask you questions. So if you're free, may I have a few minutes?
Yes, please go ahead.
Day by day, a lot of things are getting increased in India. And if I be more particular about it, live-in relationships. So when I say live-in relationship, what's the first thought which comes to your mind? Okay. So are you in favor of or not? But don't you think live-in relationships are just promoting casual relationships? It can let people to avoid long-term commitments in marriage.
Yes, but it's better than divorce. Then I would say, yeah, if my personal choice, I would like to go in love marriage relationship. Just because I think you know the person very well. When you are living in a relationship, you can decide whether you would like to go to marriage or not.
But don't you think when it comes to live-in relationships, people are saying society judges women and men differently. And if it's a man, he's young, he's getting to all new things. And if it's a woman, she's shameless, she has no manners. What do you think about it?
Yeah, it's there in the society for sure. But now it also depends how you pursue your life. Like you want this, you can do it, right? You don't think about society. Then we have to grow. Society has to grow, and things are changing. Maybe not in the local places or colonies. Things are not like this, but with kind of big cities, posh areas, yeah, people are accepting this thing. They enjoy. It's normal. Even if you talk about some people, they allow relationship. If you are not even married, they allow you. So to depend on look at it a lot. Mindset of the that's what I believe. And I have been in US and I have seen this culture. That's why I really love this, and I would like to go. If ever I get a chance, I want to look at living relationship. You know the person very well before getting married. If things will go well, you decide not to be together.
Okay, thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you so much. Hello,
My name is Nidhi. May I know your name?
my name is Arun Kumar.
So today I have received a topic from a teacher that I need to go to random people and ask you questions today. So if you are free, may I have a few minutes?
Yeah, of course.
You know, day by day, there are a lot of things are getting released in India. If I be more particular, it's live-in relationship. So when I say live-in relationship, what's the first thing which comes to your mind?
According these days, it's a 50-50. 50-50 mean living relationship also good, and if you don't know about our partner, that is also good, because in both of case something definitely happen.
But
That's why I'm
if
saying
I'm
50-50.
asking you to be more particular, then are you in favor of it or not?
According my point of view, no.
But don't you think it's more practical these days, like how love has become? Don't you think this living relationship is more practical?
I would say that a living relationship is just like a Amazon product. Like if I'm buying something, if I didn't like, then I will return. And again I will buy something, and if I didn't like, then I will return. But relationship is always like adjustment. We have to do adjustment. But in a living relationship, it shows that if we don't like our partner, so we have option to change. So I don't think so. We have to choose the living relationship.
So don't you think society should just accept the evolving relationships rather than sticking to the old traditions?
But I would tell to that society, if they have option to change their parents, they would like to change. I think nobody would like to change their parents if they don't like.
So living relationships and changing parents are totally different things.
No, it's the same thing. Like if we are like our partner, we are living in relationship with someone, and if we don't like that person, right, that time we have option to change. Same thing. Our parents, we are living with them, and every children sometimes they think that my parents not good, they are behaving wrong with me, so they will change. No, after their parents very bad, they will not change. Same thing. If you are living in a living relationship, and we are not feeling good, and we don't like our partner behavior, everything, so we will definitely we have option to change. That's why society accepting this thing. That's what I'm saying.
So thank you for your time, sir.